Don't do it. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Who did this?
To sit like that.
Still just purring away. You okay?
Oh!
Do it. Are you tired?
I got you something.
You got another week.
Tato.
Why do you hate me?
Mind.
Ну, бля.
Spicy. Hey, spicy.
My cat fucking stuck in the fucking floor. Get. Oh, she really stuck, G.
Oh, you.
No, no, no.
Excuse me?
Why are you mad?
Hoş geldin.
Ew, she has a hairball in her mouth.
What do you want? That was a good one.
It's not that serious.
Somebody come get her. She dancing like a...
Oh my god.
I would say mentally I am not well.
Third, what have you been up to? What was that sound?
Day 67 of my cat trying to scare me.
That's a big one.
Don't do it! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Tesla, burrito. Whee! Be sad.
What can I get for you?
Right?
Come here, guy. Buddy.
Said you coming out?
Sammy.
Hey, come on.
It's okay.
I know you're about to bite me.
Oh my god.
You silly kitty. Okay. Do it.
I'm just trying to watch The Parent Trap.
Still fast as fuck, boy. Come get some.
It's gonna make it.
Yeah, so kind of hard to
A-doo-ba-doo-ba-doo-ba-doo-ba-doo.
No, no va a saltar.
Fuera esto.
What's that? What's that, brother?
I just bought this basket piece, and look at it now, man.
I just think she's scared.
Nice long body, perfect form, beautiful teeth.
Steven! I thought you were dead!
Why are you being such a beast?
I can record the toe beans. You ain't gotta look at me like that.
That's so cool. It's water. It has bubbles.
Oh my god!
You're under arrest. Put your hands up.
Ó a cara na parede, ó. Eu avisei.